everybody, my name is Tori and I'm a certified health coach. I am passionate about helping people to create a healthy lifestyle from the comfort of home. So today I wanted to share my morning routine with you just to give you some ideas if you are wanting to start a morning routine or you're wanting to change it up a bit. And this routine really helps me to feel healthy and happy all throughout the day. I feel energized. I feel mentally more aware than what I would be if I did not have this routine in place. And routine is very important to have because you don't have to think about it. Once you get in the groove of it, you don't have to make decisions first thing in the morning. You just go with it because it's already set in place. So that's one reason why having a morning routine is good. Secondly, it's really good to just give yourself that time to wake up. I've realized when I wake up and then I just rush out the door, I don't feel alert. I feel lethargic throughout the day pretty easily, and I get grumpy. So this is a routine that works really well for me that I've been doing for quite some time. And if this works for you, that's awesome. If not, maybe this just gives you a few ideas to play around with and then for you to create your own routine that works best for you specifically. So here it goes. So the first thing I do is wake up around 6:30 or 7. Kind of depends on the day. Usually I prefer 6:30 because I like to get up before anyone else in my house. My husband gets up because I just like that quiet alone time all to myself. So next thing I do after I get out of bed is I wash my face and brush my teeth, which helps me feel refreshed and ready to start my day. And I go to the kitchen and I prepare my tea. I have been loving mint tea because it's very soothing. I used to do coffee first thing in the morning, but I'm trying to limit my caffeine intake because I was a little addicted and I don't like being addicted. So while my tea is steeping, I drink lemon water. That's the first thing my body consumes in the day is water. This is really good to support digestion and the immune system. And drinking lemon water also helps cleanse the liver. So I usually try to have some lemon juice already on hand, but if I don't worry about it. I just drink regular water, but the lemon adds some nice to it. So afterwards, I get my tea and then I have my quiet time for 30 minutes. And during that quiet time, I will journal, I will read, or I will just sit in the silence and drink my tea, which is very, very refreshing for me personally. As an introvert, sometimes it's nice to just sit in the quiet and drink tea. Next, after I finish my quiet time, I work out. So I work out about 5 to 6 times a week because I just feel really good when I exercise and I move my body around. I have like a specific routine in place for my workouts. So depending on the day that it is, I already know what kind of workout I'm going to do and I don't have to think about it or make a decision right then and there. It's already set in place. And I have breakfast. We'll listen to a podcast or watch a YouTube video about personal development. It's very important for me not to have any form of entertainment in the morning time because I want to be more alert mentally and I want to be prepping myself for the day. And I keep my entertainment stuff more towards the later part of the day in like the afternoon and the evening time. Yeah, so that is my morning routine basically. This routine energizes me and helps me feel my best during the day. And pleasant. You can ask my husband, and if I don't have my morning routine, I'm a big grump. Because I haven't given myself that space to charge up for the day. And I'm basically running on empty, and you cannot give from an empty cup. So this is me filling up my cup for the day so then I can give and I can feel my best and then I can show up and be my best for those around me. So if there are any things in this routine that you like for yourself that you want to try for your morning routine, let me know what they are. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day. Bye!